Hadian beli ki babon kitan ki badawa civil subdivision bad iki ba sarkar Meghalaya ru kelarai ban ai ya kikat tokat ni. Kinong senchar senong jong katan mau senram keliyok mensiam bandawa na sarkar ban kentiu kerdan no ru ya ka mau senram syaka civil subdivision ka bapura. Ha ka khandai terik mentau nailur Ar-Hajar Arpuwei. Kinong senchar senong jong katan mau senram CNRD block rengkat kiseng bahalang kilawan kiyo syaka ni kenong ba selong rengkat kajing senran lang UMLA katan ubah Himalaya Moktan Sangpliang. Hakaba kele kendo yu menteri rang ba kejela bandawa nak sorkar jela ban kentiu kerdan no ya kemau senram CNRD block syaka civil subdivision kenang bo anla ban kentiu ki kampen roy jong ginong song snong habrok kiliang ginong sensyar snong bat kinong yalam seng balang ketan mau senram ha kejing ekran bat kinong patai kubor hadin kejing kendo ya ukonrat kongkal sangma kile thu ba kejing dawa jongki ban kentiu kerdan no ya kemau senram CNRD block syaka civil subdivision Kadai namar bagatan mau senram kala syai kon swet labon senam menta ha kaliang ki kampen roy. Kani ka kenhuan kali tho ru bagani kejing kendo jengki bat menteri rang ba kejela kani kesngi kelalong ke basngu tenat. Namar nakaliang jong konrad kongkal sangma watla ompatla ban kular ha kani keju hi kesngi. Nrai ulapan pau kidak ba kesorkar kan sabishar benya na barok kiliang bat kejing dan kam ban penmi ya ke civil subdivision ke bathamai. Kani ka kenhuan kala pen pau ru ba kam syab jeng e syu ya ke sorkar ban kentiu kerdan ke mau senram CNRD block syaka civil subdivision. Namar kadikatan ke beladon lupa shibun ki yang office bahaya jong ke sorkar bat kinong syong snong ki kloy ru ban ajaka bantei ya ki yang terekam na kebenta ka civil subdivision.
And I appeal to the Chief Minister that he would not have to spend much money if civil subdivision is considered to Mau Senram. For the reason that Mau Senram already has a lot of infrastructures. It has an SDO PHE office already, SDO MSCB already. It has two SDO PWDs with one division where executive engineer sits. Then we have the Brahmaputra Board office, we have CWC, Central Water Commission, and several other offices under the soil conservation as well. So the headman of the Mau Senram, who was also accompanied in the delegation, also assured to provide land for the construction of the complex of the civil subdivision in Mau Senram. Therefore, I appeal to the Chief Minister that there would not be much financial implications if a subdivision is declared for Mau Senram. Therefore, he looked at it on a very positive note, and he said definitely all these factors and all these issues should be considered while they list the subdivisions to be considered in the near future.
Hakakanta ka bang iyo ay kaban syong ha kamera ka ju ngilayo ay kaban ya flu jumut shibun ki benta ki bade namta ka roy kapar hangthi hapo Mau Senram namar ba ya ka Mau Senram kumbalong menta but nakaliang ka jung uru wala kubur ba kala sya ikun swet but namar kata kani ka jing yelek ya kendu jungi layo ya kaban ya discuss ban flu jumut ba habu but kam tame ha bade bat ka civil subdivision but nakaliang ka jung u la don ya ka positive response Andre kay ba nagaling jung umla hi ban ong ban penbana menta hi leni ban penlong menta ya ka civil solution Andre umshimla leklet ni neglect ya ka Mau Senram la don ha ka jumut but uns examine namar la sutho ba ki bun ki jingdawa ne ki pat ki than kumna jantia kumna ribohai pat kum ta terter namar kata un habban compile haban examine andre ni pan pau ki jing smo comment na kaleng jong ni ba na kaleng jong u wala shim ya ka Mau Senram in the top priority ngala monong ka ba khamat do namar ba ka Mau Senram civil solution ka Mau Senram CNRD block kala dei ka way na ki CNRD block ki beremtam hapo jang jela na du khat khandai spa rupa ar la penlong ya ka Mau Senram CNRD block andre kayesa hadu mata kum ka block tinamar kata kum ki noilam kum jongka kunhun sembalang rengkat bat ki arngut ki nomik mat kata kalau lokal MLA buat lokal MDC mentah kasih ngila rung ngila ikendu lang ya Chief Minister nak mentah ban dawa ban pensngo siaga sorkar bak mosnam sendiri blok kalau dia ban yo no iya ka civil subdivision.